All right, so we're going to review the subnetting that we did yesterday. So there's 3 questions we're going to start with always when we try to solve our subnetting problems are, how many zeros does it take to get to the host requirement? What's the new subnet mask? Then what's my increment? If you answer these 3 questions, you're going to be able to subnet any problem. So first thing, we're going to look at a network that needs 50 hosts, 20 hosts, and 10. First question is, how many zeros do you need? We need 2 to the second power is 2 third power, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the fifth power. We there yet? 2 to the sixth power. So how many zeros do we need? So write down 6 zeros. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is my new subnet mask? What are my increments? If I'm starting at 0, what number am I incrementing by? Because the 1 stopped at 64. So 0, and then 64, 128, 192. If you start at 0, the next one starts at 64, ends at 63. 127, 191, and 255. It's just that simple. The problem students run into is when we go to a network when we have large number of hosts. So anything over 255, we're going to have to borrow more zeros than 8, because 2 to the 8th is 256. 2 to the 9th is 512. 2 to the 10th equals 1024. So in this example, how many zeros are we going to need? So what do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That ends 1, 2, 8. We need one more zero. There we go. And then you fill the rest in with 1s. Now, what's my new subnet mask? This is easy because the 1 spot is off. You must subtract 1 from 255, it's 254. And then we got a dot 0. Where did my 1 stop at? So I'm incrementing by 2s in which octet? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which octet are we going to increment in? Where did the 1 stop at? The 3rd octet. So we increment 0, 0. So if I'm incrementing in the 3rd octet by 2s, what's my next number? Okay. Now remember, I told you that this is like an odometer. When you get to 9, what happens? It goes to 0 and you go 1 place over to the left. So if this is 0, 0 and this one's 2, we got to have this end somewhere. So 2, 0. What's the number before 0 in the odometer for binary and subnetting? 9. So in binary, 9 is our highest number. 128, you're halfway there. 255. So this one will end at 1.255. This one ends at 3.255. This one ends at 5.255. 6 would end at 7.255. Now let's do the math. 0, 0. So if I fill up 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, all the way to 255, how many do I have? 0 to 255. 1 to 255. 255 numbers, right? We said we wanted 500 though. So that's 255 in this octet. What if I go 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. I get an additional how many numbers? 255. Then making my requirements.